Hello, and welcome to our Zoho Insights by Aspen94. My name is Tracy Sorrentino. Managing customer activities frequently requires navigating through multiple records. Now that's time-consuming if you're going through each record to find things such as a contact number or an email address. Today I want to show you two fast and flexible ways to view information within your CRM using the Zoho CRM Canvas Table View and Zoho CRM for Everyone Grid View. These features are designed to present information in a convenient and customized format to make your job easier. The first view, our Canvas Table View, allows administrators to design, brand, and tailor the list layout to their business needs. It's used to highlight key data and organize it in a way that's easily accessible and understandable. The table view is built using the Canvas editor and allows for extensive formatting. The view displays records and columns just like a spreadsheet type format. It offers a clean, structured layout for viewing record detail, and you can create multiple table views to filter and sort data based on your needs. Again, only a user with administrator permissions can edit the table view by using the pencil icon. This will take you to the Canvas editor and allow you to edit the view by adding columns, reordering columns, and removing columns. Next is the Zoho CRM for Everyone Grid View. It's available to users who use the Zoho CRM for Everyone user interface. Using the grid view, you can customize and view records. Not only that, you can create, edit, and share records from a single space. This makes it easier to handle large data sets within the CRM. Similar to the table view, the grid view presents data in a spreadsheet-like format. You can create a record by using the button down at the bottom and add information into the grid. One thing to note, there are limitations to adding records into the grid view. These include all required fields must be represented in the grid view, layout rules and data enrichment must be disabled, and the default view cannot be a wizard. You may also edit a record. The grid view also allows you to manage records that have been subjected to an approval or review process. These icons indicate records waiting on approval. As the approver, I can simply approve, reject, or delegate directly from the view. I'm now switching to the Deals module to see that we have the ability to summarize numerical data across records. From the Amount column, I can select Add Aggregate by summing to total the amounts in the column, seen here at the bottom. I can also aggregate by average to calculate the average of the column values or find the minimum and maximum amounts in the column. Each of these views provides an overview of multiple records, their properties, and gives sorting and filtering ability without the need to open individual records. This makes your day more productive. If you have questions about Zoho CRM views or Zoho CRM for Everyone, please contact us to schedule a free consultation with a Zoho expert. Please like this view or subscribe to our channel to see more insights by Aspen94. Thank you for watching.